after the Grafana 7 upgrade, there was a significant enhancements that you can see in this whole DX dashboard UI. And we observed that there was a lot of flexibility changes also have been made in the terms of visualization. Now we notice that things look a little different in dashboards and panels. If you see this is the change in the landing page. We have a search icon on the top left. So anywhere you are in building the dashboards or anywhere in between, you can just click this search. It is just the dashboard search and your context will not be changed. Just go ahead, open this dashboard in a new tab and you can close and you can continue your work here. And then the one major observation would be when I click on a new dashboard and add a new panel, this is a completely redesigned panel editing experience. There is this new options panel on the right hand side. This arrangement is actually very important because you can now write your data source definitions as well as you can change your visualization panels both at the same time. Previously, you need to switch between tabs, which was not quite comfortable. So now you can do it hand in hand. You can write your queries here and at the same time, you can go and change your visualizations and all here. And one other addition is the ability to override, if you say last 6 hours, it takes your browser time and goes for last 6 hours. Instead of that, you can override the time zone as well here. So one benefit of this is that you can specify the local time zone of the service or system that you are monitoring. So if your service or system operates across several time zones, you can actually go and based on the time zone, you can view your service system, how it is operating in IST or PST. You can use this option here. And we have revamped all the icons of the visualization panels as well as a part of this upgrade. And importantly, this old table plugin that was supported till the previous release, we have renamed it as nested table. And here comes the new table plugin. This new table plugin supports a lot of things. I will show you in the what's new dashboard example that we have provided. And just because I'm saying this old table and new table, nothing that was built with the old table in the 6.x release in the previous versions will be impacted, and everything will work seamlessly with the new table. And things that do not work with the new table are still supported with the old table. Suppose you have nested rows, services, sub-services, and the hierarchy to be shown. This new table does not support it. And your old table is still here and you can still use it and go ahead with the older version.